Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I hope you are well and I'm good. So guys, now I am how to edit your welcome note MS PowerPoint. So guys, let's start today's video. So guys, I'm just clicking design part, click design and format background and click photo. So guys, now I'm just select picture on texture fill. So now click these options and showing a picture and transparency. I'm just %85 or 50%. So I'm just add a text. So guys, I'm just click text or image. So I'm just add a image for online. So I'm click online. So if you sure your PC or laptop connection internet or mobile hotspots, so I am using dual mode. So I'm just search on Bing image search. So guys, I'm select this computer image and click insert. So guys, now showing this wallpaper or theme. So I'm just click apply all. Then I'm just create next presentation. So just like this image, copy and next show automatically. So guys, I hope you can understand these options and like this video and subscribe our channel for more video. Goodbye.